What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Just had to stop by O'Reilly's, get some car wash stuff. I ran low on some detergent for my foam cannon. Had to get some tire cleaner, tire shiner, wheel cleaner, and a new foam mitt, as well as a wheel brush. So I kind of dropped a little bag there, but that's okay. It's worth it for a clean car, you know? But we're heading home now. Just hit the gym, did a nice little chest day. Trying to stay consistent on a push-pull leg cycle. Shouldn't say cycle. Split. So let's whip home. Hope everybody's having a good day out there. Finally getting some better weather out here. You know, around March and April, we get real bad rainstorms, so you know, we had a couple bad thunderstorms come through, but making some way for some sunny days ahead, which I'm really excited about. Nothing beats driving this car on a sunny day, man. It's the best. So really excited for that. But yeah, I hope wherever you guys are at, wherever you're watching from, hopefully you guys got a beautiful day like this right here. The city's starting to get a lot more traffic, and I don't know how I feel about it. Well, I hate it, honestly. That's why I don't live in downtown Seattle. Traffic's terrible over there. But man, look at those poodles right there. Let's see if I can hop in front of these people. I've been thinking about getting a new mount. You know, I've been rocking this forehead mount for my GoPro. Think about getting something to suction to the back window. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you think that would be a nice little perspective. I think it could be pretty cool. It's gonna be a quick video, but I just wanted to record something real quick. Nice day. I thought it'd be a good opportunity. Nice cherry blossoms. I think that's what these are. I'm not too sure. Used to have one of these at my house growing up. Yeah, and my windshield is so dirty. We'll clean it. It's the thing though, is I hate cleaning the car because it just rains the next day. I clean it and then it rains and it's like, you know, just disgusting again. So no point in doing that until we get a nice stretch of sunshine, which I think we're getting here soon. So look forward to using my new supplies. But anyways, like I said, quick video, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching. Remember to hit that like button if you like what you're seeing. If you want to see more content like this, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see, man. As always, I appreciate you guys. Subscribe for more. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.